Okay, so we are going to continue with the with conversions of azimuths. This is a continuation of your part 1 angles and direction. Okay, so we have 7.7. So let's Okay, so we will continue with the 7.7 exercise. 98 degrees 12 minutes 55 seconds, so that's more than 90 degrees, so probably it's here. Oops, sorry. Should be so 98 degrees, so somewhere here. Okay, so this is the azimuth, 98 degrees. Okay, 98 degrees 12 minutes and 55 seconds. All right, so this is your bearing line. I mean, angular distance, theta. Okay, so let's solve for theta here, where theta is equal to 180 degrees less 98 degrees, 12 minutes, and 55 seconds. Okay, so theta is simply equal to theta is equals to 81 degrees, 47 minutes, and 05 seconds. Or bearing line is equals to south 81 degrees 47 minutes, and then we have 05 seconds. This is east. Okay, so we're done with number 1, and then 7.7 number 1. Then we go to 7.7 number 2. So the angle is 155 degrees. 153 degrees. That's more than 90 but less than 180. So somehow this is located here. Okay. This is your azimuth. So azimuth is 153 degrees, and then 26 minutes, and then 40 seconds. And of course, this is your bearing. So bearing is theta. You need to solve for the angular distance. Okay, angular distance is equal to 180 degrees less 153 degrees 26 minutes and 40 seconds. So theta, get your calculator, plug in 180 degrees less 153 degrees 26 minutes and then 40 seconds. That is equal to 26 degrees 33 minutes and then 20 seconds. So the bearing line or bearing of the line is southeast. Okay, south 26 degrees 33 minutes and then 20 seconds east. Okay, now let's move to the number 3, 7.7.3. So we have 192. So this is greater than, no? That's greater than 180 degrees. So 192. Okay. So this is coming from the north. This is 192 degrees, 56 minutes, and 22 seconds. And of course, this is your bearing. Ito. Then this is your theta. Alright, theta is your angular distance. So theta is equals to, this is more than 180. So you can just simply subtract the 180 to this azimuth. So you get 192 degrees, 56 minutes, 22 seconds, less 180 degrees. Okay, so theta now is equals to 12 degrees, 56 minutes, 22 seconds, or the bearing of the line is equal to south, 12 degrees, 56 minutes, 22 seconds, and then west. Okay, right. So then we have the last part. The last one is, okay, so we can simply make this smaller, no? Para ma-accommodate natin yung the last one. Okay, last number. So we can move this here. Can also move this. And of course, this one too. Para mailagay natin sa isa na lang na uh, page. Okay, so last one is 288. Now, 288 is more than 270. So it's obviously on the fourth quadrant. Right? So, lagpas lang siya ng 270 by 18 degrees, somewhere here. Okay. So, this is your azimuth. Azimuth is 288 degrees, 12 minutes, and then 50 seconds. And your bearing is this line. No? This is your bearing. Solving for the theta, theta is simply equal to 360 degrees less 288 degrees, 12 minutes, and 50 seconds. So theta is equal to, plug your calculator, 360 degrees minus 280 degrees, 12 minutes, and then 50 seconds. That's equals to 71 degrees. And then 47 minutes, 10 seconds, or the bearing is equal to north, 71 degrees, 47 minutes, okay, 10 seconds, and then west. Okay, so this will be your answer for this number. Okay, so let's resolve the other one. Ito, no? Gawin naman natin yung kanyang, let's say, our meridian, reference meridian natin. So let's say this is our north, south, east, and west direction. Okay. So this time, this is convert the bearings and then to azimuth, no? So una-una is north 44 degrees, northeast. So it's somewhere here. Okay. So if this is your bearing, so this is your bearing. So this is your 44 degrees, 50 minutes. Ito yung iyong uh, angular distance, no? So your angular distance is 44 degrees, 50 minutes, 38 seconds. So remember, if the line is inside or within the quadrant 1, you can say that bearing the angular distance is equal to the angular distance of the bearing, and the azimuth is the same. Okay, so therefore your azimuth is the same as your bearing, which is equal to 44 degrees, 50 minutes, and then 38 seconds. Okay, so this is your answer. And then next we have all right, so this one, southeast 38 degrees, 42 minutes, 54 seconds. So this is your line. Okay, and this is your angle or the bearing, 38 degrees, 42 minutes, and then 54 seconds. Okay, and this is your azimuth. Here, your azimuth is also the same, no? Now, so this is your azimuth. So this is your theta. Okay. So theta now is equal to 180 degrees less 38 degrees, 42 minutes, and then 54 seconds. So theta is equals to 180 degrees less 38 degrees, 42 minutes, 54 seconds. And this is equal to 141 degrees, 17 minutes, and 06 seconds. So this is your azimuth. So azimuth is equals to 141 degrees, 17 minutes, 06 seconds. So wala tayong directions dito, no? Okay, so next we have 38. So we have the 45 degrees southwest. Mhm. So this is here. Since this is 45 degrees, so medyo kalahati siya, no? Okay, now this is your bearing. Sulat natin yung bearing. So ito yung bearing natin. Oops. Ito yung bearing natin. Okay, and this is 45 degrees, no? 45 degrees, 06 minutes, 02 seconds. And then, of course, we have this as our azimuth. Okay, theta. So, our azimuth is equal to 180. Ito, 180 plus ito, no? So, that will be 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. And then, 06 minutes and 02 seconds. So theta is equals to 225 degrees, 06 minutes, 02 seconds. So azimuth. This is your azimuth. 225 degrees, 06 minutes, 02 seconds. All right. So then we have the last one for 7.8. Okay. So we can delete this. So northwest, this is 13 degrees. So this will be somewhere here. 13 degrees, 24 minutes. Okay, so this is 13 degrees, 24 minutes, and then 30 seconds. So yung ating azimuth is coming from here, going here. So this is your theta. So theta is simply equal to 360 degrees. Less natin yung 13 degrees, 24 minutes, and then 30 seconds. So theta is equals to, plug your calculator. So 360 degrees less 13 degrees, 24 minutes, 30 seconds. That is 346. 346 degrees. Then we have 35 minutes, and then 30 seconds. All right, so this is your azimuth, no? Ito yung azimuth mo. 346 degrees, 35 minutes, and then 30 seconds. All right, so I guess you can now do the rest. I'm going to leave this number to you. So I already have given to you enough examples. So please try for 7.9 exercise. Okay, so this will be my last video for bearings and azimuths.